Hello, 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 hello.
Hi, hi everybody, welcome. Yeah, today Mr. T is very happy.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
a
Well,
so energy today.
so energetic, nice. Okay, me too. Welcome to session 72. Today we want to talk about some questions. These questions are about TV shows. So stay with us. And
Sauce?
if you have any opinions, if you have any opinions or any ideas, please comment for us. And yes, I forget that Mr. T has a new background. Show them the background. It's very nice.
Yeah,
That's very good. Wow, you are in the
beautiful.
background.
Yeah,
Nice.
beautiful thumbnail. No, no,
Nice.
it's not
That's a
thumbnail.
banner. That's a
Yeah,
banner
yeah,
right there. Okay.
this
Please don't
man.
forget to subscribe to channels, okay? The channel's address is in the caption or description. Please subscribe and like the videos. That's a very good support for us. Let's start. Well, we have these questions. We have 6 questions here. Let's check the questions first. Number one, how many hours of TV do you watch a week? How many hours of TV do you watch a week? Number two, read the question.
How often do you watch TV in bed?
Do you ever fall asleep in front of the TV?
How
Fall
often?
asleep means, sorry, fall asleep means like you're watching TV, okay, and then you're tired and you go to, okay, that's fall asleep. Yeah, exactly. Next.
Number four, how often do you watch TV on your computer?
Do you watch TV on your phone or tablet?
Do you think you watch too much TV?
You watch too much TV. All right. Let's talk about the questions. There's an example sentence. How often, no, sorry. How often does John watch TV? So if you have a partner, you can ask about them. Okay, but right now we want to practice with each other. So let's start. Okay. We start with the first question. I ask you, how many hours of TV do you watch a week?
I 0 hours watch TV
I
a
watch
week.
TV 0 hours, or I never watch TV.
Yeah, I never watch TV
Okay.
a week.
Guys, if you're practicing this exercise at home, don't forget to use the frequency adverbs. Okay, always, usually. You can use these in your answer. That's very useful.
Yeah,
Okay.
how about
About
you?
me, yeah, about me, I watch maybe 1 or 2 hours of TV every week when I
Every
have dinner or lunch with my family. So that's it. Number two, you ask me, please.
How often do you watch TV in a bed?
I never watch TV in bed, but I sometimes watch YouTube clips in bed. So that's it. How about you? Do you watch TV in
Me
bed?
too. I never watch TV in bed. I check my cell phone in bed.
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Do you ever fall asleep in front of TV?
Yes, maybe I fall asleep if I am very tired and I had a busy day. Maybe I fall asleep in front of the TV and asleep. How about you? Do you ever fall asleep?
No, I never fall asleep in front of TV. I don't have a
Never.
TV. I hate TV. Look.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
So imagine that you are watching a movie, okay, on the monitor or screen,
Yeah, me
and you
too.
are very tired. Do you fall asleep?
I hardly ever fall asleep in front of my computer.
Got it, okay.
How
Next,
often how often do you watch TV on your computer?
I sometimes watch TV shows on YouTube on my computer. Sometimes, not all the times. How about you?
I often watch movie on my computer.
Yes.
That's it. Do you watch
Okay.
TV
Yeah.
on your phone or tablet?
Not all the time because the phone screen is very small and it hurts my eyes. So I hardly ever watch TV on my phone. What about you?
I never watch TV in my phone.
And the last one?
Do you think you watch too much TV?
No, I don't watch too much TV. I watch a little TV, and I really like to watch TV shows um, when I have free time. But because I don't have a lot of free time, I watch a little TV shows. How about you?
I never watch TV. I watch education in YouTube and in Instagram.
Yeah, okay, got it. Well, now at the end of this video, I want to ask you guys a question. How much TV do you watch a week? In a week? Or let's say, how many hours of TV do you watch? How many hours of TV do you watch in a week? Please tell us. For me, it's like maybe 2 hours a week because I don't have a TV, but when I go to my parents' house, I watch TVs. How about you guys? Please comment for us. We will check it for you. Write the number of hours. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next session and bye.
Well done, guys. Bye.